Do you have that corner of your house where it is an electronics nightmare? A while ago, I showed on Facebook a photo of a super cool outlet that is a USB and regular outlet in one that you install into the wall. Well, now I'm going to show you how to install that yourself. It could take you a half an hour or less. It's very easy, and the device costs you less than 20 bucks. So I'll show you step by step how you can do this the DIY way. Let's get started. I found this basic USB outlet at my home center for under 20 bucks. And it's very simple. It has a basic outlet on the bottom with two standard USB ports on the top. Let's review the tools that you need to do this. You need a pair of basic channel lock wire cutters, a slotted screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a voltage meter. You can either use a neon testing meter or a digital readout voltage meter. Don't be a dumb cluck. That's right, Henrietta. Don't be a dumb cluck and attempt to do any electrical work unless you have turned off the power to that outlet. And if you're not sure if you've turned it off to that outlet, turn it off to the entire house. I've already turned off the power to this particular outlet, but I'm going to double check it with a voltage meter. Now, anytime you use a voltage meter, whether it's a digital readout or a neon tester, make sure that you test each device in a working outlet so you know that the device is working well before you try it on your assumed dead outlet. So I know this one is working, so I'm going to take the covers off of the two electrodes, and then I'm going to stick each of the electrodes into the socket and verify that I have a 0 voltage reading. Remove the outlet cover using a slotted screwdriver. Remove the two screws that are holding the outlet to the junction box. If you have ceramic tile, you might find that you have little outlet spacers behind your outlet that push it forward so that it is flush with the surface of the tile. Take these and set aside to be reused. Gently pull your outlet forward out of the box as far as the wire will gently pull without too much twisting. Go to the brass screw terminal, which has the hot black wire attached to it. Gently loosen the screw and pull the wire out from underneath the screw. Do the same for the silver screw terminal for the neutral line and for the green screw, which is holding the copper ground wire. You want about a ½ inch of wire exposed. It should be fine coming out of the old outlet, but if you need to expose more wire, use your wire cutters. You clamp the wire in the appropriate width circle, and you just twist it around a few times, and then you will pull off the plastic coating to expose the wire that you need. You can also use your wire cutters as pliers to twist and bend your wire to give you a nice shepherd's hook to twist under the screw head. On your new outlet, attach the curved wire under the head of the green screw for the copper line.
You're just screwing it in.
Do the same for the silver screw terminal with the white wire and tighten securely. And then tighten the black wire. Gently tug on each of your wires connected to the 3 terminals to make sure that they are secure. Then very gently push your outlet back into the outlet box, lining up the top of the outlet to the holes where it fastens to the outlet box. If you have outlet spacers, now is the time to saddle them between your outlet and your wall box. Tighten the box to the wall. Do the same for the bottom screw. Test your outlet for power, and with a digital readout, it should read about 120 volts. Or simply check with a neon tester to make sure the light turns on. Replace your outlet cover and screw it into position. That's it, chickies. Now you are wired for sound. Just remember to always check your power, make sure it's off when you're working. It's common sense. And girls, you can do this because hip chicks are smart, capable, and confident.